While there was plenty of action in Parliament, the Lok Sabha passed a bill to increase the foreign investment limit in local insurers to 49% from 26%, despite stiff resistance from the opposition. A similar bill is pending in the upper house. That's where the real opposition is going to be faced. Speaking to CNBC TV 18, Jayant Sinha did not rule out the possibility of a joint session in case the bill got defeated in the upper house.
Now the bill will go to the Rajya Sabha, and in the Rajya Sabha we don't have the numbers as such for the BJP. We'll have to see who will be willing to support us in passing the bill. Our hope would be that this bill was supported and worked on by the Congress, and therefore our hope would be that the Congress would support it. Though after the debate in the Lok Sabha today, there is a real question mark there. We'll have to see how all of that unfolds. But of course, if the bill is defeated in the Rajya Sabha, having been passed in the Lok Sabha, that does open an opportunity for a joint session.
So you also talked about 74% FDI for sectors like insurance. Banking, you said, already has 74% FDI.
The point I was making was that we have many sectors, important sectors of the economy that are also very vital to India's economic well-being. For example, banking, where up to 74% is allowed. Telecom, where 74% is allowed. Defense, where 49% is allowed. And at the same time, when you look around the world, even in China, 51% FDI in insurance is allowed. And in most advanced economies, 100% FDI is allowed. So if you want a modern 21st century economy where the best management practices, sufficient capital, as well as the talent necessary to grow a vital industry like insurance is possible, then we absolutely have to open it up to 49% FDI.
So going forward, do we see 74% FDI in insurance during the regime, during NDA regime? Is it a distinct possibility?
I think we'd be very glad to get 49%.
The important thing about insurance is that it's already notified. And what has been notified through the ordinance is people put in money while the notification is already on.